Hi, I'm Chris from Nytech Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. When I'm helping a homeowner with a water heater replacement, they often ask, should I upgrade to a tankless water heater? My answer is, well, it depends. Let's talk about it. They're both good options. It's a matter of which one's best for your home and your needs. First, let's talk about how these systems work. Most homes in our area have standard water heaters that have a big tank like this and are typically found in your utility closet or garage. The tank stores 50 to 60 gallons of hot water, which is ready for you to use. After you use the hot water, the tank fills back up with cold water, which gets heated up in preparation for the next time it is needed. This is why after taking a long hot shower, you may run out of hot water and have to wait for more to be available. A tankless water heater doesn't store hot water, but heats water on demand when a hot water tap is turned on. Cold water travels through your pipes into the unit where it gets heated as it passes through. This process is very fast, and as a result, tankless water heaters deliver an almost never-ending supply of hot water, which is great for large families. No more fighting for who gets in the shower first. Plus, they're considerably smaller and take less room, so they're a great option when space is limited. Typically, a conventional water heater is less expensive to purchase and install than a tankless unit. However, with proper maintenance, a tankless water heater can last longer. Sometimes, a dual approach is best, using a conventional water heater for part of the house and a tankless water heater for specific areas and needs. My best advice? Give us a call to go over your options, and we'll give you all the information you need to make an informed decision.